In front of me is Honor 8X Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to hit Smart Assistance. Then tap on one-handed mode, use this switcher to activate it and follow one of those methods. I have Tricky's navigation, so I have to slide my finger on the navigation bar. And when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, click on this dark area. If you want to change placement of your screen, just swipe in an opposite direction. Then go back the same way. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!